Alright, so we're back in the barbecue board's kitchen. Tonight we're going to be doing some yellowtail, freshly caught by me on one of our recent fishing trips out of San Diego. I rubbed some fish, lemon, salt, sesame seed. It's a good rub. So tonight we're going to be cooking on the Weber e435. We're going to be doing some indirect heat on the fish, and go ahead and get our fish over here on the other side. It'll be a pretty quick cook. 15 minutes in on our cook. Let's see what we're up to. Get a nice flaky texture. Oh yeah, we're ready. Let's go ahead and get on our barbecue board's gloves. Get this off the grill and get it into the kitchen. The gloves available online on our website, barbecueboards.store, as well as all of our cutting boards, serving trays, charcuterie boards. We do grill specific stuff, general use, big fish fillet boards, all the kind of cutting boards and sizes you ever need. The food is hot, the beer is cold, and that's going to be it for us. Finished product, a little all-day IPA, fresh caught and cooked yellowtail, Mexican style corn with a twist, barbecue board special. Let's get a look at the inside. Perfectly cooked each and every time.